The moment sweet potato hits boiling water, something quiet but powerful begins to happen. Steam rises, the water trembles, and inside the potato, a transformation starts that the eye cannot see. It may look simple and harmless, but inside the sweet potato, a silent escape begins. 1. The water trap. Imagine dropping a treasure chest into warm water. Nothing seems strong at first, but slowly, the walls begin to leak. Inside the boiling pot, sweet potatoes release what makes them more powerful. Water-soluble vitamins like vitamin C and delicate plant compounds that support immunity and skin health. They don't vanish, they escape into the water. And unless you drink that water, the body never receives the full message the food was meant to deliver. At this stage, the potato is no longer just cooking. It is quietly surrendering part of its nutritional identity. 2. The energy code shift. Inside the starch structure, something even more subtle is happening. Heat and water begin to break down complex starches. The once slow energy release starts to shift. And here's what most people never realize. Boiling can sometimes make sweet potatoes easier to digest, but it can also raise how quickly their natural sugars are absorbed. Inside the body, this means a faster glucose rise, a quicker energy spike, and then a sharper drop. A cycle the body feels even if the mind doesn't notice it. 3. The flavor and power loss. As the sweet potato softens in water, flavor compounds dissolve. Natural sweetness spreads outwards, escaping into the water around it. The potato becomes gentler, sweeter, and easier to eat, but also slightly diluted. What happens next is remarkable. The body receives comfort food, but not its full original density or nutrients and antioxidants that nature packed inside it. It is still nourishing, yes, but no longer at full strength. 4. Inside the body response. Now imagine the moment you eat it. Inside your body, digestion begins immediately. Enzymes break down the softened starch. Blood sugar responds. Energy flows upward. But the difference is subtle, almost invisible. The body begins to process a version of sweet potato that has already been partially pre-digested by water and heat. And that changes everything, from nutrient delivery to metabolic response. Boiling sweet potatoes is not exactly bad, but it is incomplete, because heat and water together tell a story of loss and transformation, where some nutrients stay and others quickly slip away.